Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a super simple way to combine data in Google Sheets, like turning first and last names into single cells or taking a whole column and neatly joining it together, today's tutorial is just for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use the join function to tidy up your sheets and make your lists way more readable. So let's jump right in. Imagine you have a spreadsheet with two columns, one for first names and one for last names. Typical example, column A is first name and column B is last name, so you might see John in A2 and Smith in B2. Let's say you want to bring these together so that John Smith appears in one cell. This makes sorting, searching, or even sending out personalized emails a whole lot easier. Here how you do it, click on cell C2, which will be your destination for the combined name. Type in this formula, join A2B2, then hit enter. Let's break that down. The join function links whatever values you specify, in this case your first and last names, and puts a space between them. That space is what's inside the quotation marks, so your result is John Smith instead of John Smith. It's a tiny detail, but it makes your sheet much more user-friendly. Now if you've got a whole list of names, you don't want to type the formula again and again, right? So once you've entered the formula in C2, take that small blue square at the bottom right corner of the cell that's the fill handle and drag it down alongside your list. Google Sheets will update the formula for each row, merging Maria Cruz, Ken Tan, and Angela Reyes automatically. Don't worry if you have a long list, dragging will take care of it, and it only takes a few seconds. Alright, let's make things a bit more fun. Sometimes you might want to gather an entire list, like all the first names in column A, and put them together in a single cell. This is really handy if you're making a summary, a quick reference, or even a bulleted list for an email invite. Here, click into D1 and enter this formula, join A2A5. That's right, join works with ranges too. The comma and space in quote marks means your result will be John, Maria, Ken, Angela, each name separated by a comma, all inside one tidy cell. It's a great way to make your sheet look more polished, and it's a lot more efficient than copying and pasting one by one. If your list is longer, just adjust the range. No worries if your data stretches down the sheet. Join will grab whatever's inside the range you specify. This technique is fantastic for combining any set of text values, events, products, attendees, whatever fits your needs. And that's really all there is to it. Using join in Google Sheets can save you a ton of time and make your spreadsheets so much cleaner and easier to use. If this tutorial helped you, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you have any other questions or run into any snags, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more practical tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.